Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. I finished at 1:30. Yeah, 1:30. Very early. Because yeah, we finished early. And this is how it is. I am thinking of staying a little bit in there, but looks like it is going to rain on that side. And I have I have my uniform drying outside. Yeah, I washed it yesterday and then overnight outside. And yeah, there is no rain this morning, so I hope that is already dry. We are now here in the town center in the Albura Marina, and you notice that there's not so much people this time compared to the previous days. Oh, last night, me and Dinigo went to the house of a new Filipino guy. He's a nurse. He's going to be working in I forgot the place. Oh, he's going to be working in aged care. We'll be just walking here because look at this. This is really beautiful. You see the colors of those flowers? No, it's not flowers. It's just leaves. Yeah, the color changing because of the weather. It is winter. Yeah, this one that I'm telling you that is still wet this morning. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I'm now preparing my meal. Last night we went to the house of Rafael.
Hello po. Hello.
We are here.
Say hi. Say hi to Shari. House of Sumudo.
This is the house of Sumud and Rafael.
Ito na. Ayun yung
We are collecting the relief goods.
yeah, from Ayuda. From Gold Grab.
And Rafael cooked something. Where is that? Yeah, I put here in the microwave. Yeah, this one. This sutanghon. There is a beef inside. Yeah, it smells delicious. Yo, good morning guys. Let's switch this up. Noisy. Yeah, it was raining. Actually, until now it is raining. And I have laundry outside. It's wet in there. Because I washed it yesterday when I arrived home around 2 o'clock. And then, yeah, I check in the night if it's wet or dry already. Around 6 o'clock, but still wet, so I leave it there. And I don't have enough hanger. That's why those are hanging just on the nylon. And at the moment I am editing this video. I am now preparing my breakfast. Already 9 o'clock, 15 minutes. You see my I have my clothes drying outside, but it is raining. So it's actually showering in the rain. And I have this. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're just out here because we're going to bike around. Nothing special, just the usual. Before going out, I checked the weather, and there will be no more rain for the day. Also tomorrow there is no rain. I don't know if you can see, but there are two guys. They are biking down there. Yeah. And many people are fishing in there. Yeah, there are many people on that side because today is Saturday. Yeah, so holiday, family day. Yeah, a lot of people are fishing this time in there. So yeah, there is a family with fishing in there, and in here also. Yeah, no one is swimming because it's cold, you know. Also in the station, there are some people. There are one guy fishing, and I saw a bike in there. They are a traveler, so bike packer. Yeah, there are many tourists these days, and most of those tourists are local tourists. Yeah, mostly are local tourists because some of the borders of the states are not yet open. But the New South Wales and Victoria, both of them are open for any people from other states. But the Queensland, yeah, they are not open yet. I heard in the news that some of the places in the Queensland area they are complaining because most of them they are relying from the tourists, and but the government of Queensland they are not allowing, they are not opening the state yet. Look at that, they are gathering in there. Maybe they found some kind of fish or something. Okay, let's just have a quick look in here. It's this time is high tide. Normally you see those it's not covered by water. This family they are setting up their fishing station. Nice. And the Australian government and of course the people here in Australia they are really good. Yeah, they managed to flatten the curve of COVID. Yeah, I remember before that already in here in Australia around 6,000 cases of COVID, and in the Philippines was just still 1,000 something. But now, the Australia they maintained, they keep the COVID to be just around 7,000 these days, and for around 2 weeks, if I am not mistaken, there is no more new cases of COVID here in Australia. Yeah, and yeah, there are some new cases, but they are coming from other country. I mean, they are the Australian who traveled from another country. Yeah, but the local contact, no local transmission. Yeah, there's no more. There is no new cases. Yeah, we are here because we're going to buy a meat pie. Yeah, I got these 2 pieces. Sorry, thank you. Oh, look at this bike. This the same like this bike. The same like my one. Nice. That bike is really the same like this Cube Acid Hybrid 1400. These are the meat pie that I bought there. But I need to go to the toilet first. I need to pee. The good thing here in Australia is that there is toilet like from time to time you're going to see a toilet along the way. And those toilets are free to use. If you can see in there on top of the mountain, yeah, there are many people. They are walking up there. Yeah, back to normal. Yeah, walking up there is a little tiring if you're not ready. Yeah, you're going to be really tired. Yeah, you must have some water with you when you go up there. Yeah, at the moment there are people here. They will go up there. Yeah, really nice. And we're just going to eat here. The bike that looks like this bike, I mean the same model of this bike is still there. Yeah, they also innovated. They added some stuff like yeah, the pannier. I mean the what's that? Yeah, they added something like this. Yeah, and if you notice that they are already open, that restaurant looks like busy. If you can see this yeah, this covered park is actually for the dog, you know, like a practice area for the dog. Yeah, they really designed it to be something like a training square for the dog. I'm saying so many words trying to explain one thing. There's a couple, they are walking down there. There are kids on their bike and ladies jogging. Yeah, there are many people this time here. Really good. Okay, we stay here. You know, one of my goal is to, you know, to cross to that island. Yeah, because you know that one, there is a, what do you call that, spit? Yeah, actually there is like a pathway, but during high tide it is covered with the water, so not possible to go through. Yeah, like this time it is high tide and it's covered with water, but during low tide you can really see the way going to the other islands. Yeah, I want to go there one time. I don't know when. During summer is not good because it's really hot, but this time there is no chance. I don't know. And if you notice, there are a group of ladies. They are swimming, and kids, and it is very cold. You know, those ladies that I said that they are swimming in a cold. Yeah, they go up there and they asked me if I am a vlogger. I said yes. They asked me if I am popular. Yeah, I'm thinking of crossing this, but the water sometimes getting high but dangerous. I remember when I was in Byron Bay, I tried to cross one small something like this, but yeah, the water was until here, and I needed to lift the bike. There are people there. Some people are jogging also. There is this car, and there's this father and the kids, and there are many people on that side. I'm just going to the toilet. You know, whenever I go to the toilet, I always leave my mobile phone, this camera in here. It is safe. I think it's safe.